Hello, thanks for joining us here on Kalkine TV. Hope your day goes well wherever you're watching from. We have some trending stock watch news to share. My name is Holly Shields. Although President Joe Biden left Saudi Arabia with no certain plans in place to help reduce the rising costs at the bowser for the US, the rising oil prices are keeping the Australian energy sector buoyant. The S&P ASX 200 Energy Index was up 2.31% just after midday today, the 19th of July, which has lifted the price of Woodside Energy Group. And in June this year, BHP has announced the merger of its oil and gas operations with Woodside Energy via an all-stock merger, which was completed. And with BHP's CEO being quoted saying, "The merger of our petroleum assets with Woodside creates a global energy company with the scale and opportunity to help supply the energy needed for global growth in a decarbonising world." And although Woodside was trading flat over the previous month after a sharp decline in its price from $35.39 recorded on the 9th of June, the surge in global oil prices gained 5.1% overnight to trade at $106 or thereabouts after declining to around $100 a barrel, which could be partly responsible. And Santos is another leader in the Australian oil and gas production sector that also has been witnessing gains. Let's cross now to Sage, who's at the ASX Exchange Square, to find out more.
Thanks, Holly. Yes, back again at the ASX, and the Woodside Energy Group Limited price is starting the week strong. It's currently at $32.37, being up about 3.4% this afternoon, 19th July. Santos Limited's share price is also up close to 1.8%, reaching $7.29. And over the last 5 years, it's provided gains of about 142% to its investors. Although over the most recent quarters, the share price has decreased 13%. The commodities have certainly been in the spotlight for the last year during the energy super cycle. However, for the Australian oil producers, it's a different story. Santos Limited, an Australian independent oil producer, recently merged also with Oil Search, an energy company with a sustainable focus, late 2021. And the RBA is doing what it can to reduce inflation in Australia with increasing interest rates, but it's expected that inflation will hit levels not seen since the 1990s by the end of 22 to meet the same energy crunch that the US and the UK are already witnessing. Santos holds strong as one of the top ASX 200's energy players, and the weakening US dollar as a backdrop for a rising commodities sector as well as yield curve inversions could lead to the irrational market signifiers of a looming recession. Santos has been operating for over 50 years with over 2,000 employees worldwide. It has production assets in Queensland, Western Australia, New South Wales and Northern Territory, as well as Papua New Guinea. Investor sentiment does impact share prices. It will be interesting to see how Santos Limited's price will change over the remaining part of Q2. Do you think Santos Limited should be included in your investment portfolio? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm Sage reporting for Kalkine Media.